Joining us now is Michael Bryant, attorney and host for Law and Crime Network, which I founded. He's been covering this story all day and covering it live as well. You surprised by the judge's ruling?
No, not really. I thought he had to get some time. What I was surprised at was the level of explanation the judge gave and the fact that they said, you're going now. That doesn't normally happen in a case with relatively minor charges. That's reserved for murder, other high felony type crimes with violence. But nope, you're going. He said the hammer of justice is falling now.
Yeah, and he is continuing to maintain his innocence.
I think that's what hurt him most with this sentence, Dan. You know, we are very forgiving in this country, and the judicial system is also very forgiving, but you got to be contrite. This guy never once said, I did anything wrong, it was a mistake, my bad. He has consistently said, I'm innocent. You heard him say it today. He's never changed that position.
I've been looking down because I want to play another piece of sound from the judge today. This is number 3, the judge talking about how this was clearly premeditated.
But then there are crimes of premeditation, Mr. Smollett. That's what you are all about here, crime of premeditation. You did wake up in the morning thinking you were going to do something bad and something wrong. You premeditated this case to an extreme that's amazing. You wrote a script. The script involved words. You're going to encounter me on the street, yell out empire, N-word, F-word. You're going to hit me. You're going to beat me up. You're going to put bleach on me. You're going to put a noose around my neck. That's a script that you wrote.
This judge really gave him a verbal spanking, huh?
He really did. Now, at first, he's protecting the record. We know that. This is going up on appeal. We know it. But he also was angry. Remember, the sentencing is the judge's turn to talk. He's level-headed, even-handed the rest of the trial. This is his turn to say, here's what I'm really thinking. And he did.
Yeah, and here's another piece of sound. This was, I think, probably the one that'll get quoted the most from the judge. This is number 4.
And you took the noose that they never did get around your neck and you put it around your own neck. I repeat, you put the noose around your own neck.
The judge just seems pissed.
He's very mad. Yeah, that's not a good look, you know, if you're sitting there waiting to be sentenced, right? And he pointed out, you had a chance to bail on this. It was a cold, cold night. Your flight was coming in from out of town. It was late. You had an opportunity to say, hey, let's maybe think this over. But no, you went ahead with it.
It almost seems like Jussie Smollett still wants to litigate innocence, right? I mean, the judge is basically, there's been a verdict, and he's been found guilty. And this is now the sentence. And Jussie Smollett and his brother and his attorneys still want to litigate whether he's guilty or not.
Yeah, oh yeah, they're still fighting over it, and that maintains that same storyline. It is really embarrassing, and it's almost, like it's a condition that he has. He can't accept what he's been caught doing.
What was, do you think, the most important testimony against him in the case?
Well, it had to come from the folks he hired to do the hit on him. You either have to believe Jussie Smollett is true in what he says, but also believe those two guys lied about what they said. There's no way those two things will be believable. How do you give a guy $3,500 and say it was for training? You know, I mean, it's just the story is one unbelievable fact after another.
And I have to say, the one thing that Jussie Smollett should be relieved at is the fact that there's so much other news going on right now. So this ends up getting sort of buried. I think that this would be a huge story, the fact that he is now going to serve time of 150 days. How much does he actually have to serve? Do we know?
No, you know, it's likely at least 3 of those months for sure. Okay. You know, there's so many variables. It's county jail. You know, right. He may be safer in county jail than the streets of Chicago these days. Who knows? But he's probably going to do a good chunk of that 5 months. Yeah.
All right. Michael Bryant, thank you so much for coming in. Really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.